What is the first thing you think of when you notice some slightly overripened bananas on your counter? Do you throw them away? No, you make a delicious, holiday-inspired spiced banana bread. This is my take on a favorite classic. Banana bread, but spiced up just a bit. Let me show you how easy it is to make. Here's our ingredients. In no particular order, 1 cup of chocolate chips, vanilla, a dash of pumpkin pie spice, that's the secret ingredient, 2 large eggs beaten, a half stick of butter, or a half cup of butter, which is the same thing, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, which makes it delicious and smells like fall a little bit, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I like to keep it easy. 3/4 cup light brown sugar in this case, but you could pretty much use any kind, and 2 cups of flour. Oh, and of course the star of all of this, the ripe bananas. I'm gonna pretty much start with all of our wet ingredients and the sugar first. Since these bananas are pretty big, I'll start by tossing in 3.5 bananas. These bananas are perfectly ripe. Okay, I went ahead and did 4 bananas. All right, next I'll add the eggs and then sugar. 2 large scrambled eggs. 3/4 cup of light brown sugar, but you could use dark or just regular sugar if that's all you have. 1/2 stick or half cup of butter, room temp butter. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm gonna go ahead and add our cinnamon and a dash or 2 of pumpkin pie spice. That smells really good. Go ahead and pop it in our stand mixer. I use the paddle bit. And I'll get everything really mixed and incorporated before I add the flour, baking soda, and salt. All right, now I'll go ahead and add the baking soda, salt, and flour. The chocolate chips are gonna go in last. All right, now I'm gonna fold in the chocolate chips. 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Okay, so I'll let our mixture sit for a minute while I prepare our pan, our loaf pan. I'm just gonna line it with parchment paper. So one way you can get your parchment paper to cooperate with you is just ball it up first. Stretch it out, and then it's ready for the pan. All right, I'll transfer our mixture to the pan and then throw it in the oven to bake at 350 for 1 hour.